Time flies by quickly, and so do our lives. But also, the development of the upcoming top-down RPG. This week's been a busy one, so let's take a look. You might remember the barrel destruction and the skills from the last video, but forget about them because they got much better. When you take one amazing thing and add it to another amazing thing, you get not two amazing ones, but one really amazing thing. And although it's not a barrel shooting lasers today, man, that's a great idea, I should write but the physics of these objects. So take a look at this barrel. It has a family, it has children, right? So you just shoot it with a laser and it shatters all around the place. The same can be done with this tool or 100 of them.
Hey, that's not actually.
And guess what all of these things have in common? They work with all of our skills, which there are only 2 of, but they work with both of them. So you come up to this barrel, ask him, hey, what are you doing flying here on me? Destroy it with a laser and use your second skill and make everything fly, then zoom out and see how they vanish from existence. And everyone lived happily ever after. And look at this UI. Simply wonderful. We are already in the process of making this UI fully animated, which will look absolutely ravishing. But that unfortunately has to wait until the next week. So until then, see you next week!